Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check your Jio Phone model and Kai OS update so apps run correctly. Once confirmed, make sure you have your Gmail address and password ready and a working mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Next, open Jio Store. If Gmail app is listed, select it to install. If it is not available, use the Kai OS browser, because browser login is the fallback, and navigate to accounts. Google.com to start sign-in. This gets you into the first actionable setup steps quickly. Once the app is installed, open Gmail and choose Add Account. You will enter your email and password and follow on-screen prompts. If you are using the browser, go to Accounts. Google.com and sign in, then select Mobile View to access mail. Make sure to complete two-step verification if Google requires it. Use SMS code or an authenticator app. If verification blocks basic sign-in, create an app password in your Google account on another device and use that here. To finish, open Gmail settings and set sync frequency and notifications so new mail appears promptly. This conserves data and battery. If Google blocks sign-in for security, generate an app password from your Google account on a desktop and enter it instead of your main password. Make sure to clear the Kai OS browser cache or uninstall and reinstall the Gmail app if sync fails. Troubleshooting tip: enable mobile data and retry sign-in after clearing cache. Many errors are temporary network or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.